You've been lied to about money your entire life. Not directly, not intentionally, but in a way that's even more dangerous, because the system you grew up in was never designed to teach you how money works. It was designed to make sure you need it. And once you understand what I'm about to show you, you will never look at money the same way again. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly why some people struggle forever, and why others seem to multiply money almost effortlessly. Let me start with a simple question. If you had to explain what money is, what would you say? Most people say, it's what I earn. It's what I spend. It's what I save. But that's not what money is. That's how you interact with money. Money itself is something far more powerful. Money is stored value and controlled behavior. And the moment you understand that, everything changes. Here's the first truth most people never learn. Money doesn't flow to people who need it. It flows to people who understand it. Let that sink in. Because right now, somewhere in the world, there's someone making more money in a day than someone else makes in a year. Not because they work harder, not because they're smarter, but because they understand the game. And yes, money is a game. With rules, with patterns, with winners and losers. And most people are playing without even knowing the rules exist. Before we go deeper, quick pause. If you want more content like this that actually breaks down real-world money strategies without the fluff, make sure you subscribe and stick around, because this isn't motivation, this is understanding. Now, let's break the illusion. You were taught, go to school, get good grades, get a job, work hard, save money, and eventually, you'll be okay. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's the problem. That system was built for a different world, a world where jobs were stable costs, where low competition was limited and information was scarce. That world doesn't exist anymore. Today, money moves differently. And if you're still following the old rules, you're playing a modern game with outdated instructions. Here's the second truth. Working for money is the slowest way to build wealth. Let me explain. When you work for money, you're trading time for income, and time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can only work so much. So no matter how hard you work, your income has a ceiling. Now compare that to someone who understands money. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. That's the difference. And that difference is everything. Think about it like this. There are 3 levels to money. Level 1, earn money. Level 2, save money. Level 3, multiply money. Most people never get past level 1. They spend their lives earning, trying to survive, trying to catch up. Some reach level 2. They save. They're careful. They avoid risk. But even then, inflation quietly eats away their progress. Only a small percentage reach level 3, and that's where everything changes. Because at level 3, money stops being something you chase and starts becoming something you control. Let's go deeper. Have you ever wondered why the rich seem to get richer? It's not luck. It's not magic. It's leverage. Leverage is one of the most powerful concepts in money, and one of the least understood. Leverage means using something to amplify your results. There are 4 main types: time, leverage, skill, leverage, people leverage, money leverage. Most people only use their own time, which means they're always limited. But people who understand money, they use leverage. They build systems. They use tools. They invest. They create assets. So even when they're sleeping, money is still moving toward them. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. If you're always busy, but your income isn't growing, you're not building leverage, you're stuck in a loop. And the system actually rewards that loop, because a person who constantly needs money is predictable and predictable people are easier to control. Now let's talk about something nobody tells you. Money is emotional. Yes, numbers matter, but behavior matters more. Two people can earn the same amount, and one becomes wealthy while the other stays broke. Why? Because of how they think about money. One sees money as a tool, the other sees it as survival. One invests, the other consumes. One delays gratification, the other seeks instant comfort. And over time, those small decisions compound into completely different lives. Let me show you how money really flows. Every time money enters your life, you have three choices: spend it, save it, or multiply it. Most people default to spending because spending feels good. It gives immediate satisfaction, but it doesn't build anything. Saving is better, but saving alone is slow. Multiplying is where the real game begins. Now here's a powerful shift. Stop asking, how much money can I make? Start asking, how many systems can I build? Because systems generate income without constant effort. That could be a business, a skill that scales digital products, investments, content. The form doesn't matter, the principle does. Quick moment. If this is opening your eyes even a little, drop a like on the video. Not for me, but because it helps more people escape the same cycle. Let's talk about something most people ignore: risk. You've probably been told to avoid risk, play it safe, be careful, don't lose money. But here's the truth. Avoiding risk is the biggest risk of all, because doing nothing guarantees you stay in the same place. Now, don't get it twisted. I'm not saying take reckless risks. I'm saying learn calculated risk. Understand what you're doing. Start small. Adjust. Because every person who understands money today was once a beginner who made mistakes. Here's another hidden truth. Income doesn't create wealth. Control does. You can earn a lot and still be broke. You can earn average and build wealth. It depends on how you manage, allocate, and multiply what you have. Now let me tell you something that might hit hard. If your only plan is to work harder, you're already behind, because there's always someone willing to work harder. There's always someone younger, hungrier, cheaper. So competing on effort alone is a losing strategy. You need leverage. You need systems. You need understanding. Let's shift perspective. Money is not the goal. Freedom is. Money is just a tool that gives you options. Options to choose how you spend your time, where you live, what you build, who you help. Without money, your choices shrink. With money, your choices expand. Now imagine this. Two people start at the same point. Same income, same background. One spends everything. The other invests even a small portion consistently. At first, there's no difference. Months go by. Still no difference. But then something happens. Compounding kicks in. And suddenly, the gap starts growing, then accelerating, then exploding. That's how money really works. Not instantly, not dramatically at first, but quietly, consistently, powerfully over time. Here's your wake-up call. If you don't learn how money works, you will spend your life working for it. But if you do learn, you can eventually make it work for you. Final thought. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be rich right now. You just need to start understanding, because once you see the system clearly, you can't unsee it. And that awareness alone puts you ahead of most people. If this video changed how you think about money, even slightly, subscribe, because this is just the beginning. And the next step is learning exactly how to start building your first real income system from scratch.